There's a demo options as well as you can use your file. So let's say you can use the people file and the CSV, whatever you have it in the purchase order, that you can upload it here and just execute it. Now I wanted to add the demo data. So the demo, which I already have the invoices which have, let's say, the supplier, which is the Kiwi Industry Supplier Limited, as well as there are a list of line items in the invoices which is there, as well as there are multiple purchase orders which is there in the invoices. So these all are the list of purchase order, and we already maintained there are like a list of the ample amount of line items in the purchase order. Let's say we are running the AI match, like what we already mentioned in the blogs, it having a semantic relationship as well as handpicked feature engineering concepts, as well as we are doing the ranking right now for the phase 1 demo. So the moment when we start running it, it matches everything and you can see the results. Now left hand side you can see there is an invoice line item, and right hand side there is a suggested purchase order line items. So let's say for this one, so this is like a kind of a match, and we can see how much percentage which is getting matched and what is the purchase order number and which line it is actually matched. So let's say this is less than the percentage, which is 67%, which is comes under the user review. So if anything greater than 90%, it is like automatically AI will approve it, and if it is less than the 40%, which means like you have to do it manually, everything. So these all are the top 3K categories we already segregated in the ranking, as well as how we re-rank the cosine similarities and results. So based on that, there is a confidence score which is maintained, which is like a 67%, and you can do it overall, accept all, or like if you feel that this is exact match and the line item is the exact match or whatever, then you can see the matched items in the decision logs. And if you feel, let's say I wanted to reject some randomly things, and then you can see there is a list of rejected items also there, and the overall the items will be getting moved out. So let's say I wanted to accept, reject, and accept. So now you see there are a list of items which is accepted and list of items which is rejected, and you can clearly mention, we already clearly mentioned that which line items and what is the list, what are the lines items, as well as what is the average confidence score. So now you have two options which is in handy. Either you can download this XML, and this XML you can straight away upload it in the iDoc. So then automatically it will create invoices in MIRO. So that is like a safe play to go. You can view the XML also here. So this is like SAP standard iDoc documentations, iDoc format. We already created it. And if you are moving this into the Concur, Concur also you can do like you can download this JSON. So this JSON, which is something like a kind of you can see this is the expected JSON where the Concur wanted to post the invoice so that you can visualize it, as well as we do have a CSV file also that like so here we clearly mention how much percentage why we taken a decision, because AI point of view the explainability is the most important thing. You can see the which purchase order and what is the line item, what is the description, how much percentage, and what is the reasons we are taking it out. So all the informations are there in the CSV. So this is where we usually like kind of how the stuffs, just like kind of a POC, and you can see we download both the invoices matched successfully, and we can send it to the SAP system. So this is phase 1 for to something which is little like hybrid, and phase 2 then everything the agent will take care of it. Let's say you wanted to pass it out, so the list of items or the documentations we already mentioned it. So the blocks, you can visualize the blocks, how it is, what is the story behind, and we already maintained the MVPs and what are the matching pipeline, and Swagger. By using the Swagger, whatever the API, that's like a backend services we build it, and those all are listed in the Swagger, so that it's already maintained it here. So yeah, overall it is the generic one, and yeah, that's about this quick invoice to PO match, which is like agentic systems, and slowly automatically the next move it's gonna be like the agents will take care of it without any manual effort. Thank you for hearing it. Cheers guys.